A right triangle is made up of two legs and a hypotenuse. The Pythagorean theorem states that in a right triangle, the sum of the squares of the length of the legs is equal to the squares of the hypotenuse. The equation we use to memorize this is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is the hypotenuse. In number 2, we're asked to find the length of side A in the triangle at the right. Well, first, 15 is my hypotenuse, so that's going to be my c value. A squared plus 12 squared equals 15 squared. That's a squared plus 144 equals 225. Subtracting 144 from both sides now. This cancels, and you're left with a squared equals 81. When we're trying to solve this equation, a squared equals 81, the inverse operation to squaring is taking the square root. But whenever we take the square root, we're having both a positive and a negative value because there's always two numbers that square to make the same number. So a is positive 9 or negative 9. But since we're talking about a as being the length of this side of a triangle, we can't have a negative side length. So for this scenario, a can only be 9.